Now my dear friends, this is our 16th question, and this question is asked in NEET 2009. My dear friends, in this question consider the following reaction. You can see here conversions of ethanol. Ethanol means C2H5OH. Here this ethanol reacts with PBr3 to give X, and this X is reacts with alcoholic QH to give Y. And here my dear friends, this Y is heated with H2SO4 at room temperature, and after that product is formed, and that product is heated with this water and heat, then you can get Z. Here my dear students, C2H5OH is reacts with PBr3 to give C2H5Br. This is our product of X. Why? Because this OH is removed and this S3PO3 is formed, and these bromine atoms attached with this ethyl group. That is why you can get the alkyl bromide or C2H5Br. My dear students, when this C2H5Br is heated with this alcoholic QH, here you can see this Br group is removed from this potassium as a KBr. Here you can say the KBr. As you can remove this hydrogen from this C2H5 group from this OH ions, then you can also remove the water. So you can, why is the C2H5 is converted to C2H4. My dear students, that C2H4 is called ethene CH2 double bond CH2. Here my dear students, when this ethene is reacts with H2SO4, when this ethene, Y ethene reacts with CH2 double bond CH2, reacts with H2SO4, you can see here at room temperature. Then this CS3, because this hydrogen atom go with this CH2 group and form this CS3, here CS3, CH2 and HSO4 is formed, and this compound is called ethyl hydrogen sulfate, and this compound is formed at room temperature. Now we can hydrolysis of this compound. When this compound is reacts with water, but this reaction is occur at high temperature, means heating effect is occur. That is why you can see here temperature is not given. When temperature is not given, it means only simply this C2H5 is broken down to give OH and H, and you can get the ethanol CH3 CH2OH, or you can say this is ethanol plus another part is called H2SO4. In this way you can see here, this is the reaction, and in this reaction my dear students, you can get here ethanol molecule. Now here my dear students, you can also get here ethyl hydrogen sulfate CH2 HSO4, but in second part, this is the second reaction. In second reaction, this is further hydrolyzed to give ethanol. Here this first part, diethyl ether, is obtained when this ethyl hydrogen sulfate is heated up to 140 degrees Celsius. When here temperature is given, then you can get this A option, ether. So my dear students, we can go the answer C option is the correct answer, and B can go the option C. Now here question number 17, CH2H on heating with periodic acid gives. My dear students, here concept is that when ethylene glycol CH2OH and CH2OH or glycerol, in which primary or secondary alcoholic group are present, and heating by oxidizing agent, this is a mild oxidizing agent, this oxidizing agent break the carbon-carbon bond. So, my dear students, this bond is broken by this HiO4 oxidizing agent, and you can get the aldehydes, one carbon atom here and one carbon atom here, because primary alcohol group are converted to aldehydes. So, you can get the 2 molecule of aldehyde and water is removed. So, you can go the answer 17, that is C. This question is asked in 2009 NEET exams. Now, my dear students, when we see the question number 18. Here, my dear students, this is the conversion reaction in 2009. Here phenol, what is the concept? You can convert these reactions, means you can write here phenol. This is the reaction, whole reaction. When this phenol reacts with zinc dust, you know very well, this zinc dust remove the oxygen from here. So, when this oxygen is removed, you can get this benzening, and this benzening is a X product and ZNO is removed. This benzening when reacts with CH3Cl, means alkyl halide, in presence of, my dear students, anhydrous AlCl3, you can see this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, FCA. My dear students, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Here always Friedel-Crafts alkylation, here carbocation is always attached to the benzening. So, this carbocation attached with this benzening, and this negative part go to the AlCl3 and form AlCl4. In this way, this AlCl3 reacts with Cl minus ions to form AlCl4 minus ions, and you can get the toluene. My dear students, when this toluene is oxidized by KMnO4, KMnO4 is a oxidizing agent, and when this oxidizing agent oxidizes the all carbon atom of this alkyl group, methyl group, ethyl group or propyl group, and you can get the benzoic acid. So, you can go the answer B, you can get this benzoic acid. What is the formula of benzoic acid? You know very well, that is, my dear students, that is COOH. So, this is the Y compound, where you can get toluene, and this is the Z compound, you can go this toluene is converted to benzoic acid. So, answer, because in this question you can ask the question product of Z. Here X product is the benzene, Y product is the toluene, and Z product is that is benzoic acid. So, you can see here benzoic acid. Now, my dear students, here question number 19. In question number 19, you can see the ethylene oxide reaction. It is a simple reaction, ethylene oxide CH2, CH2 and O. This ethylene oxide reacts with Grignard agent, and Grignard agent is called RMgX. When this RMgX reacts with ethylene oxide, bond is broken in this way, minus charge develop on this oxygen atom and plus charge develop on this carbon atom. Here you can see negative charge develop on this alkyl group and positive charge develop on this magnesium ions. And you can see here, this is negative charge attached with this CH2 group. So, you can RCH2 is formed here, then CH2, here this oxygen atom attached with this MgX, then your added compound is called, this added compound RCH2CH2OMgX. When this is hydrolyzed by water, then you can get the alcohol, and this alcohol is called primary alcohol. This is called RCH2CH2OH, and this is a 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. Then, so your answer is A, that is primary alcohol. Question number 19, it is answer is A. Now, my dear students, when we go to the question number 20, in question number 20, further concept is same, which one of the following compound is most acidic? Here NEET 2005, here this is the phenol, here this is CH2Cl and CH2H group is present in A compound. Here, my dear students, Here this chlorine get the electron density, it accept the electron density, but these are present alkyl group, and here this alkyl group repel this electron and increase the electron density of oxygen atom. Now my dear students, here you can see that this is the alkyl group. Alkyl groups are the electron repelling group. So increase the electron density on oxygen atom. So when we see the acidic character of this phenol, this alkyl group increase the electron density, so acidic character decreases. And here in this compound phenol, here this is repel the electrons and this is also alkyl group, so decrease the acidity. Here B and C, here you can see this the NO2 group is electron withdrawing group, so it's increased the acidity. So answer, you can go the answer for C. C is the correct answer for this option, because C accept the electrons, or this is NO2 is electron withdrawing group, so increase the acidity here from then phenol, and then this is decrease the acidity because CH3 group is attached. Here chlorine is attached, but this alkyl group decrease the acidity. In this way you can go the answer C. Now my dear students, when we see the question number 21, which one of the following will not form a yellow precipitate on heating with an alkaline solution of iodine? My dear students, here same concept for iodoform reaction, concept of iodoform reaction, because it's a iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction, what is iodoform reaction, my dear students? When any compound in which CH3CO or CH3CHH group is present, any compound in which CH3CO or CH3CH group is present are attached with here iodine and NOH, to give yellow precipitate, yellow PPT, to give yellow PPT of CHI3 or iodoform. This is the iodoform reaction, because you can get iodoform of yellow PPT from this iodine and NOH. NOH is called alkaline solution. This NOH is always called alkaline solution. So my dear students, here you can see this 4 option. This is the trick. You can see this function group. In option 1, you can see the function group, yes, present, but please see the question, this which one of the following will not form yellow precipitate on heating with an alkaline solution of iodine, means A is the form, and B, CH3CH group is present, that is why it is also formed. In D, CH3CH2H group, my dear students, if you see the CH3CH2H group, here you can see you can get the CH3CHH group here, and this CH3CH group is present, so it gives also a yellow precipitate or iodoform reaction. Answer is, so we can go the answer C. In 21, we can go for answer C, because here you cannot get the CH3CO group or CH3CHH group. Now my dear students, we can see the question number 22. You can write here, this is the phenol is treated with, first of all, my dear students, you can write the reaction here. This is the phenol. When this phenol reacts with your chloroform and this NOH, chloroform and this NOH to form, you know this section. This section is a very important section, and this section is called Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and my dear students, I can give you concept of Riemann-Tiemann reaction before in this chapter, and according to this concept you can get salicylaldehyde. This is called, my dear students, this is called salicylaldehyde. Here you can get the salicylaldehyde. So answer is B. B is the correct answer for this question. Now we can go question number 23. My dear students, In question number 23, which of the following is correct? On reduction any aldehyde gives secondary alcohol reduction of vegetable oil. My dear students, when reduction of aldehydes, aldehyde reduction, we can go the, after reduction of aldehyde, we can go the primary alcohols. When reduction of ketones, this is the concept, my dear students, this is the concepts. When aldehyde is reduced by any reducing agent, then you can get primary alcohol. When ketones are reduced by any reducing agent, my dear students, you can get the secondary alcohol. When here you can see the on reduction any aldehyde gives secondary alcohol, this is a wrong answer and he want the correct answer. This question from 2001 NEET. Second, reaction of vegetable oil with H2SO4 gives glycerine, and this is also a wrong answer because vegetable oil is a higher unsaturated fatty acids, and glycerine, what is the formula of glycerine, my dear friends? That is the, it's another form of glycerol. This molecular formula of glycerine is called CH2OH, and CH2OH. So, this is a glycerol, my dear students. In glycerol or glycerin is obtained, and this is vegetable oil, it is obtained from the saponification, means reaction with NOH, not H2SO4. H2SO4 not give us this glycerol, this glycerin is given by the NOH. So, it is not a correct answer, it is a wrong. Now, we can see C option, alcoholic iodine with NOH gives iodoform reaction. Yes, this is the correct answer. Alcoholic iodine with NOH to form NaOI and it gives iodoform. And if you can go the option D, sucrose on reaction with NaCl gives invert sugar, not, because sucrose is also known as invert sugar. And when you can get the glucose and fructose, and glucose is also called invert sugar, then glucose is obtained by the hydrolysis with water, not this NaCl. So, this is also a wrong answer. Now, my dear friends, we can see the question number 14. The correct acidic order of the following is phenol, acid, this 2 and 3. This question is come from this NEET 2001. Here, my dear friends, it is a electron donating group, EDG. Electron donating group decrease the acidity, you know very well, and this is the concept. This is the electron withdrawing group, or electron gaining group. It's increase the acidity, So, my dear students, this is the third one is greater than this 1 and 1 is greater than 2. So, answer is B, and this concept is I am giving before in this chapter and in this questions. This type of questions already discussed, my dear students. So, you can get easily answer of this question number 24, which is asked in 2001. Now, my dear students, we can see the question number 25. It's also a same question which is asked now 2000 here, and you can see the formation of this is primary alcohol. You can see further this reaction CH2, CH2O, and this question when this reacts with RMGX, my dear students, you can see here minus charge is present and this carbocation plus charge is present, here minus and plus. First of all, you can form the added compound, this R is attached with here, then you can get R CH2 CH2 OMGX, and it is hydrolyzed by water H2O in presence of H plus ions, then this molecule is broken down. This molecule is broken down in this way. Here you can get the H and OH, and you can get R CH2 CH2OH. This is our 1 degree alcohol. So, you can go the answer this A 25 is the correct answer.